Want to bring fun and appreciation to your Zoom meetings? Highlight the best moments and say thank you in a whole new way? Meet the Lucky Carrot app for Zoom, a recognition platform where people connect to recognize the hard work, say thank you, and celebrate achievements, right during or after virtual meetings. How? Send virtual carrots to your meeting participants or Zoom contacts for the most productive collaboration moments. Later, redeem your collected carrots into diverse gift cards and fun experiences. Motivate and inspire, whether it's a team meeting, business interaction, or a webinar. Use Lucky Carrot with your peers and bring your team together. Encourage and empower, making sure their efforts are valued and visible. Stay connected, foster collaboration, and come closer to in-person meetings, even while fully working remotely. Make any business meeting more interactive. Celebrate and recognize your successful partnerships and show how much you loved working with them. Also, share words of appreciation during webinars, events, or community meetups. Connect with attendees, build strong relationships, and make virtual experiences feel more real. Moreover, use Lucky Carrot within your company and create a culture of recognition. At the same time, get actionable insights into employee interactions and make data-backed decisions. Try the Lucky Carrot app for Zoom now, as recognition goes a long way, no matter the distance.